In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Relevance AI. Let's start by navigating to the Relevance AI website. You'll find it at relevanceai.com, where you'll be welcomed with powerful tools to build your AI workforce, all designed for business efficiency. Click on the Login button prominently displayed on the home page. This will guide you to the login page where you'll be prompted to enter your email address. A tip here is to ensure you're using the email associated with your Relevance AI account for seamless access. Once you've typed in your email, click Continue. Next, you'll need to input your password. Be mindful of ensuring your password is correctly entered to avoid any login issues. For enhanced security, it's generally a good practice to have a strong password that's unique to your account. After you've confirmed your password, hit Continue to proceed. After successfully logging in, you'll be directed to your dashboard. This is your control center on Relevance AI, where all your projects are managed. Now let's explore the settings. In your dashboard, select the project you're interested in setting up. Clicking on it will open the project settings where you'll make necessary configurations. Look for the settings option and navigate through it. Here, you're going to enter the project name, add a fitting description, and select your preferred model type. These steps personalize your AI agent to suit the needs of your business perfectly. From there, we move to Integrations and API Keys, a section that allows you to synchronize your AI agent's capabilities with other productivity tools like Slack, Zapier, or your CRM. This integration enhances your workflow efficiency by ensuring seamless data transfer and communication between platforms. Following this, click on Tools in your project settings. This is where you'll adjust your workflow settings. Navigate to the Workflows section where you can add triggers, set conditions, and map out actions. These elements help automate processes, making your AI tools more adaptive to your business requirements. We then move to the Workforce menu where you can run tests on your setup. Testing is crucial to ensure every configured aspect functions as intended. You'll find the option to run workflow or test agent. Use this feature to verify that everything works perfectly, smoothing out any potential kinks. Finally, it's time to finalize your setup. Save all changes you've made to ensure nothing is lost. Check your configurations one last time and then mark your project as ready. This completes your setup process, allowing your AI tools to begin working optimally for your business. Remember, these steps are designed for comprehensive setup. Follow them to align Relevance AI usefully with your business goals.